Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to connect to hidden networks in Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more informative contents like this. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now to connect to hidden networks, first of all go to Start and over here search for Wi-Fi. And over here on the top you'll find this Wi-Fi setting. Click on this. And over here you'll find this interface. Here you can see here is manage known networks. Click on this and on the top you'll find this add a new network. Click on this. Now over here write the network's name. On my case I have SPADE, S-P-A-D-E SPADE. This is my network name. Now select the security type. Over here I'll select this WPA2 personal. And now enter the security key. Now I'll enter mine and after that you can check this connect automatically and then just save. And now you can see this network is added and it's successfully connected over here. You can see this is the network. So in this way we can connect to hidden networks on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.